Welcome back to Travel Tips. Have you ever wanted to take an expedition cruise but wondered about the excursions and specifically about how the Zodiacs work? If so, this video is for you. In case you're not aware, expedition cruises use Zodiac boats extensively for excursions and in some cases even to embark and disembark the ship. In this short video, I'm going to highlight some important information about how and where to board the Zodiac, information about riding in the Zodiac, and at the end, I'll finish up with some extra information for those of you who need just a little extra encouragement about the safety of these boats. Now, there's typically a dedicated area of the ship which provides for only a small step for getting on and off the Zodiac. Once the Zodiac is tied to the ship, you can see in this video another step is placed in the Zodiac to make it easier to board. There is also a person on the ship and in the Zodiac to help you with the boarding. Now in this video, when you board, you use a sailor's grip with the assisting crew members. This is more stable and secure than just holding each other's hand. Once on the boat, you follow the crew's directions to find your seat. In some cases, they may want you to sit on the side of the boat immediately and then slide into the position they direct. The Zodiacs all have a rope attached along the seating area to hold onto while the boat is in motion. For those of you who still need some additional encouragement, the first thing to note about the Zodiac is they are semi-rigid inflatable boats with multiple air compartments, which means if the Zodiac were to get punctured in one area, say due to hitting something sharp in the water, the Zodiac will remain afloat because of the other independent compartments. The second important bit of safety information is everyone is, of course, required to wear a life jacket while on the Zodiac. This life preserver has a device which automatically inflates once in the water. And of course, the Zodiac crew members are trained for this possibility. I hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to subscribe or ask any questions you have in the comments.